maybe now more than ever, if lawyers want to be attractive to the firms that have the best culture, they would want to do some things to improve their brand or to improve how they're sort of sitting in the space so that they're more marketable. Is that a fair point?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's the number one thing. If you want to attract top talent right now by having a personal brand or putting your firm online and being visible and on social media and being relevant and producing thought-provoking content, building community, then I think that's definitely the place you have to go.
Okay, so the firm needs to build their culture, their brand. Maybe that's one half of the discussion. Then the other half is the lawyer needs to continue to develop his or her personal brand so that they're more marketable to those firms.
Yeah, absolutely. Because your personal brand is your insurance policy. It's your everything. As you go through your career, you may change jobs, but if you build a personal brand, more and more opportunities will come your way. You will attract more clients. You'll attract more networking opportunities. You'll attract more revenue generating opportunities. So it's the most precious, valuable thing I think any lawyer can have is a personal brand. Just because you may work for one of the world's most prestigious law firms, that doesn't matter. It's you, your personal brand.
Yeah.
And we have so many tools and resources out there, Steve, as you know, you're crushing it, that can help you get there.
I'm trying. I'm trying, man. Every day it's another opportunity to be creative, to figure out what can I do, say, share, educate to support the brand that I'm building. And it's not about selling stuff. It's more about the content I'm putting out and the way that I'm managing my clients, the way that I'm managing every interaction I have with you, every interaction I have with clients, with people, to make sure they're seeing the real authentic me. And I'm who I am is my brand.